G'day guys, Seemyshell, the Aussie Geocacher. Today we have Wherigo caches. Yes. G'day guys, Seemyshell, the Aussie Geocacher. This is the first time watching one of these videos. Why not subscribe and click the little bell so you get notifications every single time I do a new video. Meanwhile, today we're going to talk about Wherigo caches. Now, these are a bit of a confusing cache type. In my mind, they're very, very similar to the new Adventure Labs series where you need a different app. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put the link to it about there. They're very similar in the fact that you do need a separate application in order to run them. So there's ones for Android, there's ones for iOS, and there's also ones though for GPS actual devices, which is very unusual. Adventure Labs don't have that, unfortunately. So what you basically do, you look at the cache page, listed the Wherigo cache page, you then click to download the cartridge to your device. So you download that cartridge to your device in order to play the game. I've played Wherigo cartridges remotely. There's been ones where you can actually play it prior to getting to ground zero, or there's other ones where you have to do it like an Adventure Lab sort of style, or a multi-cache style, where you have to go from location to location to location. But either way, a Wherigo cache at the end of it will have one find, and that one find will be a physical container with a logbook that you will need to sign as well. That's really all it is to a Wherigo cache. Trouble is with Wherigo caches is the actual applications themselves are not very stable. You will find that you may have some difficulties. The app may crash every now and then. It may crash in the middle while you're doing it, which is really annoying. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've had an annoying Wherigo incident where the app has either crashed or it's just stopped working, for instance, and you have to go back to the beginning and start all over again. Those ones can be so annoying. In the meantime, this is my personal Wherigo, which takes you around the town, my hometown of Casino in New South Wales, Australia. You have to attend the visitor centre first, at which point in time they will give you a pamphlet. You will then have not one, not two, not three, not even four, but believe it or not, there's over 20 waypoints on this cartridge which you'll need to attend, which basically shows you all around town. It's a really nice walk around town, and you'll end up back in the visitor centre. At the end of the cartridge, it will give you a code, and that code is to unlock the ammo can that's located inside the visitor centre. This here, of course, has been placed with permission, and as you can see, it is a well looked after and well stocked geocache. It does get a few favourites, this one. So there you have it, Wherigos. Do you like them? Do you hate them? It's a much of a muchness. Are they going to go? Are they going to stay around? Who knows? But if you haven't done a Wherigo cache yet, you have to do a Wherigo cache at least once in your geocaching career. That's it for me, guys. Thanks very much for watching. This is Seemyshell. I'm over and out.